Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the last video we have discussed find and index function of finding string, and we have discussed this find function and index function using example. So friends, our today's topic is counting substring in the given string. Counting substring in the given string, we can find the number of occurrence of substring present in the given string by using count method, by using count function method. This is count function method. So s.count substring, s.count substring, it will search throughout the string. It will search the substring throughout the string. Whatever I have written in the string, when it get s.count substring, it will find how many times the substring is present in the string. s.count substring begin and end substring. Here I have to put the substring, okay, then beginning position and end position. It will search from beginning index to end -1 index. So friend, let's take an example that will clearly describe you about the s.count function and counting substring in the given string. So s is the variable in which I have written a, b, b, c, t, e, a, b, f, g. This is the total string. Print s.count within single quotes a. How many times a is present? So here is 1 and here is 2 in the 0 position, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the 6th position. There are 2 a. There are 2 small a are present in this a, b, b, c, d, e, a, b, f, g string. So answer will be, output will be 2. Print s.count a, b, a and b both. Here a, b is here present, a and b. This b is not counting, or it will be not counted because this is single b, not a, b. I have written in the search string or the substring is a, b, a with b and b with a, and here the a, b. There are 2 a, b is present. The output will is 2. Now s.count a 3 to 7. That means position begin with 3 and 7. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. That means it will be present 1 times, 3 to 7, 1 time. Okay. Okay. Our next topic is replacing string with another string. Replacing string with another string. So I have to replace a string with another string. So s.replace old string, comma new string. s.replace old string, comma new string. Inside s, every occurrence of old string will be replaced with new string. So take an example. I have written an example. See, s is equal to learning Python is very easy. Learning Python is very easy. In s1, s.replace. In s1, s.replace easy. The substring will be easy, which is replaced by difficult. So the output will be print s1. That means here the easy substring will be replaced with difficult. Learning Python is very difficult. Learning Python is very difficult. Okay. Next, it is called splitting of string. Splitting of string. We can split the given string according to specified separator by using split function method. L is equal to s dot split separator. The default separator is space dot. The return type is split method a list. Suppose, take an example. I have given an example, please notice it, please. S is equal to Toyota Cars Corporation. L is equal to s dot split. For x in L, print x. It will be this string will be split into three parts: Toyota, car, corps. Okay, Toyota, car, corps. Because split here, I have not given anything, but it's separated Toyota, cars, and corps. Means where is you get the separator? It will be separated. S is equal to 22-02-2016. L is equal to s dot split. Here is a separator I have given, single inverted comma dash. That means where it will get dash after before that it will be separated. Okay. So for x in L, print x 22-02-206. After 22, the second 2 there is a dash, so it is splitted. This string is splitted, and 02 before 0 there is a dash. It is splitted. After the second substring there is a separator, and it is splitted 206. But after 206 there is no, after 6 there is no separator, so it is the last string. Okay. So friends, I have given you the example on counting substring, replacing substring, and splitting substring. Today's lecture is up to this. I will be back with another lecture. So till then, goodbye. And friends, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel, so that I can bring you new videos every week with various languages such as Python, C, Java, and various other. Thank you for today.